Hi there guys, today we're going to learn a little bit about this plant here. It's Yellowroot or Xanthorrhiza simplexima. This plant of the Ranunculaceae family or buttercup family is a common riparian species found throughout eastern North America. And true to its common name, it does have yellow roots, and this it's colored by berberin, which is a potentially medicinal compound also found in golden seal, which is highly valued for its medicinal properties. You can identify it by scratching the bark and seeing if it has yellow dye in it. It also has these feathery leaves right here that are compound, and it produces in the springtime a spray of small burgundy flowers.